In this tutorial, I will show you how to flatten image in Adobe Photoshop 2026. Flattening layers means combining all visible layers into one layer. This helps reduce file size and prepare the image for export. First, open your file in Adobe Photoshop. Go to the layer panel on the right side. Click the menu icon at the top of the layer panel. From the list, click Flatten Image. Now, all visible layers are merged into one layer. You can also use a keyboard shortcut. Press Ctrl Shift plus E on Windows. Before flattening, always save a copy of your file. After flatten, you cannot edit separate layer. That's it. If you enjoyed this video helpful, please subscribe to our graphics solution trick channel and click on the bell icon for more updates.